I am standing outside the headquarters of Gaijin, all Gaijin in Japan, the Family Mart or 7-Eleven, the convenience store. It is the headquarters for several meetings that are held nightly and mostly on weekends in Japan for the Foreign Legion. And yeah, just to give you guys an update on what is happening here in Japan, the Embassy of the US sent an advisory saying that, you know, the Japanese police are racially profiling foreigners and stopping them needlessly. What's that you say? Really? I wasn't aware that people were being stopped and arrested in Japan by police. I didn't know that. I mean, this is news to me because as foreigners, you know, we are revered and praised and held in high regard here in Japan. You see, so this is news to me that foreigners are being stopped by police. Now, here's the thing. This is not anybody who has lived in Japan for any period of time would know that these things do happen, and it is increasing now because of the bans that have been imposed on the country. Bans that have been imposed by the Japanese government to prevent persons from leaving or exiting the country, right? So persons are more likely to overstay. So this must be the logic they're using to stop more foreigners, because foreigners who are in Japan clearly don't have visas or residence cards or whatever sort of thing. So the advisory was that for all foreigners, American citizens, to ensure that they have their immigration status with them, i.e. residence card or their passport and their IDs with them at all times. So people were walking around in Japan without their residence card. It's not it's the frequency in which people are being stopped that becomes a bit annoying, and especially if it's somewhere where you live, you know what I mean, or frequent often, it can become a bit tedious and, as the Japanese say, mendokusai. It's just a bother, you know, it's inconvenient, you know. But there's a school of thought of person that say, hey there, Mr. Piggles, you know, maybe if you just cooperate, you know, you wouldn't have a problem. But we do cooperate. But how, I mean, yes, we're guests, quote unquote, in the country according to them, but at the end of the day, we do pay our taxes and we do what other citizens do, law-abiding citizens should do. All that has happened now is that because of this, the pandemic, more persons who are not black are being stopped. I think that is what's happening, and now they kind of have the shoe on their foot, and so what persons of a particular skin color have been having to deal with for a long time, it's now affecting all persons, and now all of a sudden all persons are having that experience, and therefore thusly, yeah. You see, the thing about life is that life has a weird way of balancing things out eventually, and not because you're not being affected by something means it is not happening. And that's all I wanted to say. You can get the links in the down below. It's Christmas, and for Christmas, I'm not going to do a vlogmas, but I'm going to do more videos. I promise this time. Post videos more frequently, maybe 2-3 videos a week, maybe 4, plus a live this Sunday. Yeah, I'm doing a live on Sunday, so please come through for that. And yeah, because, you know, alright, that's me, because the Gaijin Jamaican YouTuber. I hope you have a wonderful day and wonderful week, and be productive and live good with people. Be kind and treat people how you want to be treated, okay? Pick up a stylist, Rochelle. Curly coils. Curly coils, kinky coils. Truly, sorry. Pick up a stylist, truly coiling. Yeah, man, check out them page on Instagram. This is me. Yeah, I'm out. I'm gonna go work later. Bye.